Do you want to know about this mouthwash backpack? How? Come with me and I'll teach you right away. Today we will learn the practice of rinsing backpacks. Width 35, length 40 centimeters, 2 pieces of washcloth, 2 slices of rib. This is the bottom pocket. The width is 35. The height is 20 centimeters, 1 piece of washcloth and 1 piece of lining cloth. So first we're going to make this little pocket. Before doing, you can make a cloth sleeve on it as decoration. Cut a butterfly with my template. After cutting, we embroidered it with machoka patches to fix it on. Secret test, we choose line mark C. Adjust the thread pitch to 0.5. So that's the secret test. Take a look. Second, the same thing. Take out our insides after the butterfly secret number. Turn them face to face. Poke the upper mouth directly. When the car is ready, we flip it to the front. Iron this mouth neatly with an iron. After the bag mouth is ironed, take out our big bag. Put your pocket on it. Put these 2 sides of the car. After fixing, fold the bag in half to the center point. Order a 4 button here. Set the 4-in-1 buckle. We take out the lid. Face to face above. Add the mouth so that it is directly on the car. The same is true for the other piece. After the entrance number, 1 centimeter down from the print of our car, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters down. This is a car. Keep the string side seam on the rest sides, front to front on the car. Here, lower mouth, 6 centimeters up, put on a hanging ear. This place is super thick and you can pass it. And this machine, in addition to secret rust, there are multiple functions. Then the same method on this side. When driving on both sides, we're going to leave a square on the inner side, and we're going to bring out the bottom support. The width is 11 and the length is 31 centimeters. Fold in half. Get to the center point. Face to face with the watch department. Center point is aligned with center point. In this way, it will be directly in the car for a week. Same thing for different faces. After the bottom support number, we flip it through the flap of the stream. After turning to the front, seal the flip of the communication for him. After the seal, we will organize the bag mouth. Here is the bright line of 0.5 on the car. Then 2 centimeters below the hole, there is an open line on the car below. Bag gargle length 135. 2 centimeters wide. We use threads. Go through this mouth. Wear 2 in different directions. After wearing it, it looks like this. You turn it over. Put the mouthwash rope with our. This package is connected together. Can be tied with a slip knot. You can also use the machine to put it on the car. Do the same on this side. You can drop the iPad. So our mouthwash backpack is ready.